Latsing Iloy, sumakasalanan, okay na sana kayo na born again ka. Nawala na sa mga isip ng mga tao na ikaw as a womanizer, a philanderer. Na marami ka rin linukong mga babae. In fact, bakit sila nagkaroon sa feud ni Binoy? Dahil nag-overlap kayo ang inyong tarugo. Ang dalawa niyong tarugo nag-overlap kay Shawi. Walang magagalit. Shawi, huwag ka magalit. Baka na naman mag-shout for joy ka umiyak ka na naman dyan. Pinastos ako ng isang vlogger. I'm not going to let anybody abuse their platform in insulting me and my family. Hindi ito, ma'am, insult. Ito, ma'am, ay history at ikaw mismo. Ang nagsabi nito noon sa iyong show na nag-overlap si Richard tsaka si Binoy sa relasyon. Kay Binoy ka noon, sinulot ni Richard. Nag-agawan sila sa inyong perlas kasi maba ang buhok mo eh. Hindi mo naman yung kasalanan kasi maganda ka naman talaga noon. Sa totoo lang, kaya nga idol kita, ma'am. Pero ang mga mga drama mo ngayon, na mga nag-aiyak-iyak ka kay Lynn, hindi na ngayon umubraman, wala ka na influence, actually. You've lost that influence, you've lost that touch, you've lost that relationship to the public since the day you insisted that Lenny was better than Sarah. Why would she be better than Sarah? She wasn't a mayor yet. She does not know how to legislate. She does not know how to govern a city. So for you to try to also abuse the influence that you hold during the time, during the election, because you were so desperate for your husband to become the vice president of the Philippines, and maybe it will eventually become a president kasi ambisyosa ka nga,